Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, My Feelings, My Inspiration. Through this channel, I will share my feelings that inspires me to live my life in a best way. The first step of my feeling is self-motivation. We all know the meaning of self-motivation, but in real life, there are many such people who never consider it. The real definition of self motivation is if we have to make our dreams come true, then we have to trust ourselves, specifically at the time when we get frustrated with circumstances. Or, in a layman language, self motivation is the only thing when we get motivation from our inner part or from our inner self. Motivation is an essential factor that changes positive thought into instant action. It switches a great idea into action and can undoubtedly affect the world around you. However, not all are born with motivation. People sometimes have disbelief in their self. They often say, I can't do that, or the timing is not right. Being demotivated means living a life as a worn out machine. Your life will become dull without any spark. So, to gain inner peace and satisfaction in life, you must always stay motivated. Self-motivation is a force to push you closer towards your dream. If Steve Jobs lacked the motivation to launch Apple, you would not get an iPhone or iPad. It gives you a purpose to live you with a forever smile on your face. Thus, realizing and working on your self-motivation will make you capable of taking control of different aspects of life. And friends, the critical elements of self-motivation are resilience and optimism. The former will help you bounce back during difficult times, whereas later you will show your brighter side ahead. This way, you will be able to control your emotions that are holding you back. You need to locate the right motivation for you to get your spark back. You can find motivation from a wide range of effective sources. For example, from quotes, books, videos, parents, teachers, and even nature. Ultimately, you will learn rational thinking to overcome negative emotions when you are motivated in life. Motivation also helps in making you active in life. You will struggle more to fulfill your goals. A self-motivated person always discovers a way to understand the issues hindering in the path to complete a task. Moreover, they do not require other people's support to accomplish a challenging task closer to them. Hence, motivation is one of the vital factors to successful in any phase of your life, whether personal or professional. Both demand a person to stay positive to achieve the goals. As a motivated person, you will always try to push your limits and develop your performance level every day. Moreover, you will continuously thrive on giving your best during every task. You will see that you remain dedicated and progressive towards the objective of life. Lastly, your dreams and goals will come true as you always aimed. So, always stay motivated in life without losing hope. When you stay motivated each day, it will push you closer to your goals. Learn to remain calm when you go through any hard day. It's an excellent habit and must be applied in life. As a result, all your negative thoughts will start fading away. I have an example of river for self-motivation. When a river starts flowing, it knows that its target is only the ocean. Its destination is not anywhere in the middle, because if it stops somewhere in the middle, definitely it will dry up. The mountains or obstacles coming in its way reduces its speed, but its courage didn't waver. We should always flow like a river. For example, in our professional life, if we gave 100% to our work, sometimes our work not get praises. Then it makes us frustrated and we start thinking that there must be a shortcoming in our work somewhere. Or if we think that what we did was right, then we should strengthen ourselves from inside and prepare for the upcoming challenges of life. At the end of the day, we should consider our whole day's work, what we have done throughout the day. If we have done something wrong by mistake, then what to do to improve it further? There can be ways to improve that mistake. That is what I do in my daily life before going to bed. And by doing this, I feel different happiness. Now, I would like to tell you some points related to self-motivation, keeping in mind that how you can encourage yourself. The first point comes is that don't be afraid of failures. In childhood, when a child falls while walking, parents teach him or her to stand up and walk again. And when the child goes to school, sometimes there are fewer marks in exam. That time, the same parents boost them in spite of getting angry. They explain how to prepare for good marks in next exam. From there, our self-motivation begins. Because when our parents explain to us, we think from our inside that yes, we can do this work in a better way by doing a little hard work. This is our first step of self-motivation. Friends, the second step comes for self-motivation is meditation. What is meditation? Many people say that it's not possible for us to meditate, while the fact is that they don't know the real definition of meditation. The great Saint Mahatma says that meditation means just sit at some place and close your eyes while relaxing your whole body to contemplate on your own self, or simply think about any of your favorite things. It is the simplest way to remove yourself from anxiety and troubles. We can easily encourage ourselves by the energy we get from meditation. So, in short, we should meditate on daily basis. We can say that all diseases can be cured by meditation only. Doesn't matter how long you do it. You can start it with 1 or 2 minutes and can increase it day by day. The next point comes is make someone as your mentor. A mentor can be any person who teaches you something new and positive every time. A mentor can be anyone. For some people, it can be a teacher. For someone, it can be a parent. Some people considers their mentor as their guru. For me, my mother is my biggest mentor. My mother always taught me good things. So, she is my biggest inspiration to encourage myself. Next point is stories of successful people. Many times, the success stories of some people who had nothing at the beginning, but their self-confidence and willpower to get something make them successful. These stories also makes our confidence strong. We should keep reading these stories. Next point is to avoid the desperate people. We have all kinds of people around in our lives. Some people motivate us positively, while some other people are those who have nothing except negativity. Often they use these words that you will not be able to do this work, or this work is not for you, so leave it. What we should do? We should avoid these kind of people and we should concentrate on our work only. My last point of this topic is think of opportunities as a challenge, and I would like to tell you this with an example. Once Henry Ford, an American industrialist, was asked by a journalist, "Sir, what is the secret of your success?" Now everybody knows that Henry Ford was a poor man and later became a richest man in the world. So he simply replied to the journalist, "My secret is simple. I never missed an opportunity." And as we all know that opportunity never help those who don't help themselves. So therefore, you should make every effort to do your work by keeping yourself motivated. Only then an opportunity will help you. Friends, I can tell you so in detail, so much things in details of this topic, self-motivation. But what I feel that if you keep all these things in your mind as I have just told you, then definitely you will be confident about how to do all your work efficiently and effectively. That's all from my side today. I will see you soon with one more thing which inspires me a lot. Okay, bye bye, and thank you so much, my dear friends.